God. Oh, I hate that. I hate that with all my heart. Nope. 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 Ah. Ooh, no, I don't like these. This makes me uncomfortable. Oh, God. No. 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 Ah. Fuck it, 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 fuck it. Ah, God! Ah! Oh, where the hell is this? Get dunked on! Who's making noises? What the frick are you? Nope. 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 Nerp. Whoop. Hey, and you're dead. Oh, my chicken nuggies. Oh, God. Ah, damn it. Oh, my nuggies. All right, we're back here again. Back at it again, Krispy Kreme. Fuck. Okay, up we go, back to track. At least I still have you, Bad Dragon. A compilation like that, that'd be fun. What the frick are you? Nope. Oh God, it's shooting the Fanta at me again. I don't like it. I ain't drinking your orange Fanta. Pineapple's better anyways. Pineapple's better. Well, there goes all me money. There goes all me money, Patrick. Me money, SpongeBob, me money is gone. You're I am but a shallow husk. You know, I should have just spent my money at that freaking pillar thing. I should have just done it. But no, I had to be like, oh, I'll buy something from the shops. I just gotta hold on to it. Oh, you know, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. No, it's not fine. It's anything but fine. My life is in shambles now. I'm broke and destitute. I can't even afford a cardboard box. Not in this economy. Man. Amen. Thank you, Bad Dragon. We are not sponsored, but oh, you bet your ass if I ever did get sponsored, I would whore myself out, you know, until the end of days. I tell you what. Oh, the hell are you? Oh, you son of a bitch! I'm mad. All right.